In this video, I show you how to fix Discord not opening or stuck on starting. In some cases, you may also have the Discord gray screen issue. Start by pressing right click on taskbar and open Task Manager. In search bar, search Discord. Right click on Discord and then end task and close Task Manager. Right click on window key, enter run and type %sign app data %sign. Press enter and press D. Right click on Discord folder and delete it and close File Explorer. And now open your Discord. It will take little longer to load as all the files we deleted are being recreated. Sign in and the Discord not opening issue should be fixed. If it doesn't work and then comment me, I am trying to make another video on it. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.